if plastic bottles are falling off a conveyor belt at a recycling plant. It's usually a symptom of mechanical or flow issues rather than just bad luck. A few common causes tend to show up in these systems. 1. Overloading the belt when too many bottles enter at once. They pile up and start bouncing or rolling off the sides, especially lightweight PET bottles. 2. Belt speed mismatch. If one section runs faster than the previous one, bottles can get launched forward or sideways. Transitions between belts are especially sensitive. 3. Poor side containment. Low or missing guide rails allow bottles to drift off. Even slight misalignment can cause steady losses. 4. Bottle shape and material behavior. Empty plastic bottles are light and unstable. They roll easily and can be affected by airflow, vibration, or static electricity. 5. Inclines or drops. Steep angles or sudden height changes between conveyors can cause bottles to tumble or bounce off. 6. Wear and tear. Damaged belts, loose rollers, or uneven surfaces can introduce vibration that pushes bottles off track. Practical fixes. Plants usually solve this with a mix of adjustments. Install or raise side rails, guard walls, add speed synchronization between conveyor sections. Use anti-slip belt surfaces or textured belts. Introduce metering systems to control flow rate. Add airflow control or covers to reduce wind disturbance. Use vibratory feeders or guides to align bottles. Regular maintenance checks for belt tension and alignment if you're dealing with a specific setup, e.g., a certain type of conveyor or bottle size. I can help pinpoint the most likely cause and suggest a more targeted fix.